This is a Champion 5 horsepower, 80-gallon, 3-phase compressor with an automatic electric drain for the tank and an Ingersol ran refrigerated 25 CFM air dryer with a system monitor up here. Someone's done a nice job of setting up the whole thing on a frame, and the air dryer is mounted here to said frame. That is the electric drain here, automatic drain for the tank. They also set nice valves up over here, so you can turn the air on and off between the air dryer or just direct through the loop. Here's your hookup, and you have a main shutoff for the compressor as well. It will run on 208, 230, 220, 230, 240, any of the 3-phase voltages, as well as it can be quickly rewired for 480. It's a 2002, works perfect. Builds up air pressure. We'll go ahead and power it on here. It's a Baldor motor. I believe Champion does the pump. Turn the air dryer on here, and hear it kick on. I mean, it doesn't really show you much, but it does have a little gauge here to show you how much it's dry in there. This runs on standard 115 volt.